Well, Kushi, in this video, we are going to learn about chapter number 6 of HSC 12th standard textbook Rencontre. This is the civilization part which is under the lesson. It comes in the question answer session as you are aware. So, starting from this, La Francophonie. So, La Francophonie means French speaking country where matlab apart from France, other countries where French is spoken in a significant amount. Okay. Les Jeux de la Francophonie. Jeux means games. Les Jeux de la Francophonie dans un concept original. Un concept original. The games of the Francophonie, an original concept. Tous les 4 ans, les jeunes francophones viennent ensemble pour participer aux épreuves sportives ainsi qu'aux concours culturels. Toutes les 4 ans. All the 4 years, 4 years, every 4 years basically. It happens after 4 years. Les jeunes francophones, the youngsters, francophone. Francophone means people of francophonie. Francophonie is the French speaking country. Francophone is people of the francophonie. VN means come together to participate or for participating in sportive events. Also, along with the concours means competition, cultural competitions. The other side, le drapeau, the L apostrophe OIF. OIF is Organisation Internationale de la Francophonie. So, drapeau. Le drapeau means the flag of the Organization of Francophonie countries. Uh, consiste d'un cercle de 5 couleurs différentes qui représentent les 5 continents où habitent les francophones. It consists of 5 different colors which represent 5 continents where francophone people live. Beneath it, TV5 month. C'est une chaîne de télévision. It is a channel on television. Francophone. Francophone means it is a French speaking channel. All the shows on this channel do happen in French language. Francophone qui diffuse des émissions françaises. It shows the French programs. C'est un lien entre les francophones du monde entier. It is a link between the francophone. Francophone means again what? French speaking people of the entire world. On basis of these, uh, we have MCQs beneath. So first what? Francophonie. Francophonie means French speaking country. So there is an organization for French speaking countries. Games do happen of French speaking people. So it happens what? Every 4 years. After every 4 years, they come together, they participate in sportive events and competitions. Then the flag of OIF. It consists of 5 different colors representing 5 different continents where people speaking French live. And TV5 Monde, it is a channel francophone. It is a French channel where different French shows are broadcasted, and it is a link between French speaking people of the entire world. This can come into your exams. Ki what is the link between the French speaking people of entire world, or what is TV5 Monde? So you will have to write this. I hope you're through with this topic. I have made separate videos for every lesson along with its civilization part. So do go through it. Also, I have made a separate video about the crash course. If you have any doubt, to let me know. You can directly message me or you can email me. See you in my next video. Till then, keep studying, keep your parents proud of you.